everybody, we are out here fishing today, and this dude here, I am going to teach him how to catch pike. Nice, Jimmy.
We've never done this before. Nice.
We've ice fished. Tanner's abode. Oh, he even has a floor.
Yep. We got the whole 9 yards.
Tanner's ice house set up. Yay. Okay, this is Sydney.
Hi. Whoa.
We wish John was out here so we could teach him how to fish.
Yes.
Next time.
Oh yeah. You're like, not today, you're coming home with me. Yeah. Alright, what did I say? 13.5?
I said 10.5. Ooh, 11.1. 11.15.
Catch and release.
Oh, that is hilarious. I couldn't tell you it's odd. He kept like going around. He didn't even nibble. I just went back up to do it again.
Good job. Trapper wish he was here, learning how to catch fish.
The bubbles froze in this hole.
360.
It's 9.8.
Right? I agree. We're on a spring, so if you guys want to take a step back. There you go, buddy.
Nice. Nice one, Zane.
If you want to get noodly.
So maybe changing the tip-up spot was worth it.
Yes. Good job, Zane.
Give me the damn phone and go pull up the damn fish.
Tanner's getting it.
Touch kids. On the side.
Good job, Lee.
We went to Lake 5 a couple weekends.
My pop up.
That might be Marty.
All the way down. All the way down. No, come on, you're pulling it. Marty ain't running. Go. Come on.
Oh, he been in weeds. Oh, he came right out. Hunter saved him, he snapped you. That's a chonker. Too sharp of blades.
Yeah. Come here, fish. Stuck on the ice. Ready? Oh my goodness.
Sydney, up to no good.
He's not even see it coming.
Here she goes. Fish jiu-jitsu. Don't follow. What did we learn today?
Catch big fish.
What did we learn? Catch big fish. 406 Trapper. We're gonna teach you. There we go. Be the end of my TikTok.